Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sync music with Govee lights. So in order to sync music with Govee lights, what you're going to need is the Govee TV Backlight 3, okay? So the Govee TV Backlight 3 is the stem of allowing me to sync everything all together, including my other Govee lights. So the setup that I'm running is a Govee TV Backlight 3 combined with two floor lamps. And then afterwards, you want to make sure that you have the Govee Home app installed. And it looks like this here, okay? The Govee Home app. After, click on it. And then you're going to reach a page that looks like this. So you want to make sure that all your Govee devices are added onto here. So as you can see, there's my backlight, there's my floor lamp, and there's my other floor lamp. You can add devices by clicking on the top right hand corner. And then as you saw, it says scanning nearby devices. You can click on the device that's new and then just add it and follow the prompts. It's really, really easy. Now, again, as I've said, you're going to need the backlight 3. This is one way to do it. It's not the only way to do it. But once you have the backlight 3 connected and your other Govee devices, you want to click on your TV backlight. And then afterwards, you're going to see this page here called Movie Watching Dream View. You want to click on that. So Movie Watching Dream View is actually really cool. Okay, first let me turn it off. What Movie Watching Dream View does is that it syncs all your Govee devices together and has them respond to either visuals or sound. So right now, Dream View is actually toggled off. But in order to configure what devices you want added to Dream View, you want to click on Manage the Device. And then make sure the boxes are ticked for whichever devices you want added. So as you can see here, I have my floor lamps ticked on. Go back. And as you can see, my floor lamps are currently turned off. So now once I toggle on Dream View, it's going to give it a second to actually have the backlights turn on, and then the other two floor lamps will turn on in just a second. Right now you can see that it is still loading, right? You can see that it's loading over there. So give it a couple of seconds or so. So now the two floor lamps are connected, okay? So what it looks like now is that I have it responding to sound effects, and this is what you're going to do, right? So when you're on this page, you see this toggle that says sound effects. You want to toggle this on. And so now the backlight and the two floor lamps respond to sound that it's hearing. So this is how I sync music with my Govee lights. And again, the setup that I'm running is two floor lamps plus one backlight. If you're interested in a setup like this, I'll leave in the description the two floor lamps and my backlight. But again, this is only one way to actually sync your lights together. There's multiple ways to do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns.